Nursing homes quickly became ground zero for countless coronavirus outbreaks across the U.S. in the early months of the pandemic. 22 News anchor and I-Team reporter Taylor Knight looked into where the worst nursing home outbreaks happened here in the western part of Massachusetts and what's being done to prevent them in the future.
Less than 1% of America's population lives in long-term care facilities, but this tiny fraction of the country makes up more than 35% of all U.S. COVID-19 deaths.
According to data from the Department of Public Health, these are the worst COVID-19 outbreaks in long-term care facilities in Massachusetts. 2 of them occurred here in western Massachusetts. The Holyoke Soldiers Home experienced one of the worst outbreaks in the country. 77 veterans have died since March after testing positive for COVID-19. Levitt Family Jewish Home in Longmeadow had the second worst COVID-19 outbreak in western Massachusetts. 66 of its residents died after getting COVID-19. The 22 News I-Team wanted to find out what facilities like the Holyoke Soldiers Home are doing to prevent something like this from ever happening again. According to a spokesperson for the Office of Health and Human Services, the Soldiers Home in Holyoke is prioritizing virtual visits with family members so the disease is not brought into the facility. Staff members go through daily coronavirus symptom checks, and all residents and employees are mandated to get tested twice a week. Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey has charged 2 former leaders of the Soldiers Home with criminal neglect and serious injury. Back in September, Healey said her office is looking into other COVID outbreaks at nursing homes in the state, but she cannot provide the 22 News I-Team with any further details.
We contacted the Levitt Family Jewish Home. A spokesperson told the 22 News I-Team, quote, "We are focused on serving our residents in our vaccination clinics right now and cannot offer further comment." We have a list of the deadliest nursing home and long-term care facility outbreaks here in western Massachusetts posted on our website, wwlp.com. Working for you with the 22 News I-Team, I'm Taylor Knight.